So I'm just going to move this so it doesn't fall off the stump. You can see this wood grenade is splitting this stump pretty well. There we go. Now let's just rotate this a little bit. See if we can break off a piece with our maul. Love the wood grenade, okay? Almost. Better up here. Bottom stump's more stable. Almost got it. This one's a little knotted up. Whew. That's what I like about the wood grenade. You tap it in, it stays in place. You don't have to keep holding it, hammering it. So once it sets, just a matter of driving it straight down. There you go. She will split some big pieces of firewood chunks. I think we got to get our wedge out of there though. On the softer wood, the wedge sticks in there pretty deep. It's hard to get it to actually split. Let's try it in a different spot. Try it here. See if we can do this outer edge.